Welcome to the Irish Pagan School podcast. Your hosts are authors and co-founders of the Irish Pagan School here in County Waterford, Ireland, Lora O'Brien and John O'Sullivan. Fáilte. This is Lora O'Brien from the Irish Pagan School talking to you about the Morrigan Academy today. So if you're interested in the Mórrígan and you want to check out the Morrigan Academy and what we have to offer there, you're in the right place if you've ever felt an inexplicable sensation of being watched, a subtle nudge or gaze from an unseen presence guiding your path. Is that you? You're in the right place if encounters with crows or ravens, especially in unusual circumstances or patterns, have sparked a curiosity deep within you, whispering of a connection yet to be explored. Is that you? Or you're in the right place if the call to deepen your spiritual journey resonates with you. If you're drawn to the mysteries and lore of Irish paganism and the Mórrigan's powerful role within it. So, which one speaks to you the most? Have you been feeling watched, feeling an unseen presence in your life? Have you been seeing signs? Or have you been having a spiritual calling that you would like to deepen and authenticate? So if any of those resonate with you, I would suggest that you go to Mórrigan.academy. You can check out our blog there. You can sign up for our free 5-day challenge, which will introduce you to the Mórrigan in her authentic lore and give you very practical exercises to get you started. So hopefully we'll see you at the Morrigan Academy very soon. Slán. If you enjoyed this podcast, please leave us a positive review in your podcast listener. Then head over to irishpaganschool.com and enroll in one of our free or paid courses. Slán go fóill, and we will see you next time.